I've spent years trying different ways to make money online. Some of them worked, most of them didn't. Right now, I have 4 different online income streams. And in this video, I'll break down how exactly each one works and how much I've made from them. The 4 are TikTok, YouTube, Upwork, and building apps. The biggest surprise is that TikTok has actually made me more money than YouTube. I'll show you the numbers and explain why. I'll also be honest about the things that didn't work. For example, my apps have only made me $30 so far. I'm still chasing my first big breakthrough with app development. You know what? I'm gonna go outside. It's getting really hot in here. I've tried several things like dropshipping, building websites, and I failed miserably. Why? Because I did not understand one thing, and that is marketing. I don't want this to be another get rich online video. I want to show you what actually worked and what didn't work. I will also tell you what I do differently if I started from scratch. If you're looking for realistic ways to make money online, let's get into it. Let's start with TikTok. This is probably the income stream that surprises a lot of people. Here's the proof. I've made over $2,800 from TikTok live rewards. On top of that, I've made over $118 from community subscribers. I've also received donations through PayPal from people who found my link in my TikTok bio, which is surprising. I was like, why not? Let me put a link there. Altogether, I've made over $3,000 on TikTok. If I had to give advice on making money on TikTok, it would be, first of all, post videos. That's how people discover you. If you don't post, no one will discover you. You should try out TikTok Live Rewards. I think it's one of the best opportunities. Most of my revenue on TikTok came from TikTok Live Rewards. The $2,800 came from TikTok Live and not from videos. You don't need millions of followers. What you need is be entertaining, educational, or just good at talking to people. And after that, you will discover that you have built a community that genuinely enjoys watching your lives. Once you have that community, the income opportunity now becomes much better. So don't only focus on getting viral videos, you should also care about your community. Try to build a community that wants to come back and watch your live every day if you will be going live every day. Now let's talk about YouTube. I've only made like $8 on YouTube. I've made less. If you compare that to TikTok, I've already gotten my paycheck, the $8. It's not a lot, but it's something. $8 isn't a huge amount, but getting that first paycheck is a great feeling. It reassures you that you can actually make money. Honestly, I know why my YouTube earnings are low, because I haven't been consistent on YouTube. When I saw that I can make money on TikTok, most of my time I spent on TikTok because that's where I saw that I'm making money much faster. So I kind of neglected YouTube. I mainly uploaded on YouTube just to keep the channel alive, otherwise YouTube might monetize my channel, but I'll lock in right now. I'll try to make high quality videos. I honestly think YouTube has a higher earning potential than TikTok because videos can keep getting views for months or even years, while a TikTok live only makes you money while you are live, like actually. That's why I'm starting to put more effort into YouTube and make high quality videos. This video is part of that. If you're wondering how I got my channel monetized, I'll leave a link in the description in case it helps you. The video is a bit outdated. I plan to make another one explaining everything, combining with everything I've learned. So look forward to that. The third income stream is Upwork. So far, I've made over $200 on Upwork. Most of that came from publishing apps for clients and editing videos. I also want to share a mistake I made. Upwork has made me over $200, but it also got my Google developer account banned, permanently banned. One of the app publishing jobs I got from Upwork ended up getting my Google developer account banned. Now, looking back, I shouldn't have published an app I didn't fully review myself. So if someone offers you money to just publish their app under your developer account, be very careful. My simple advice is don't do it. If you decide to take that kind of job anyway, my advice is to actually have the source code, review it, then you publish it. Don't just trust the client. A single bad app can get your Google developer account or your Apple developer account banned or suspended. And rebuilding from that is much harder than making a couple of $100 So avoid that. Despite that bad experience, I still think freelancing has a lot of potential if you do it right. If you have a valuable skill and you know how to find clients, whether on Upwork or somewhere else, you can really make some money out there. If you're wondering which skills are worth learning today, I'd focus on video editing, 3D design, programming, and AI-related skills. Those are the kind of skills I want to cover on this channel: finance, personal development, business-related stuff, and realistic ways to make money online. The last income stream is building apps. I have 4 apps on the App Store. The first one is Fluently, and Fluently is a language learning app. It has made me $10 from one person who subscribed for a month. I hope to get some more subscribers and make more money. The second one is Snapstack, which helps you organize screenshots and notes. It's free. I haven't made any money from that, but a few people have downloaded it. The second one is Rekit, which helps you with product recommendations. If you're wondering what to buy, Rekit is the app for that. Rekit has made me $20 from 2 people who subscribed. I just advertised it. I was on TikTok live, then I was like, guys, I've made this app. There's premium features like this, then they subscribed. The fourth app is Friend.them, which helps you find language partners. It is also free, so I haven't made any money from that. And I've made $30 from building apps, which is not a lot. $30, at first that felt disappointing, then I realized one thing. My problem isn't building apps. It is getting people to discover them. For a long time, I thought my problem was building more apps, building better apps, making them as good as possible. But now I've realized that what I need is better marketing and distribution. So instead of creating app after app, my plan is to work on the apps I already have and learn how to get them in front of the right people. I genuinely believe my apps are good. I just need to get them to the right people, a lot of people. If you'd like to check them out, I'll leave a link in the description, or go to my website, raycom.org. You'll find all my apps are there. My website will have links to the apps on the App Store and GitHub. So that's how I make money. I'm definitely not making thousands of dollars every month. I'm not here to pretend that I am, but these are all real income streams I've personally tried. The biggest lesson I've learned is that making money isn't about finding the perfect side hustle, but sticking with one long enough to get good at it. TikTok has made me more money. YouTube has made me less money, but I think it has higher potential. Upwork also showed me that having a real skill also makes you money, but I also learned a really big lesson. And building apps taught me that building a good product is half the battle. If nobody knows your product exists, it doesn't matter how good it is. So if you're trying to make money online, my advice is simple. Pick something, stay consistent, learn from your mistakes, and keep improving. It probably won't happen overnight, but every small win builds on the last one. Accumulation. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to this channel. I'll post more videos. I talk about making money, building apps, AI skills, programming, freelancing, and personal development. Basically, finance and making yourself better. Lessons I've learned along the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another one.